Okay, so namaste everyone. It is 8 o'clock, so we will be Saraswati Namastubhyam Varde Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhi Sada. So today we are looking the second part of chapter 9. We'll start from our Prahelika. So, वृक्षाग्रवासी न च पक्षिराजः त्रिनेत्रधारी न च शूलपाणिः त्वग्वस्त्रधारी न च सिद्धयोगी जलं च बिभ्रन् घटो न मेघः. So if you read it slowly, so you can see vriksha agra vasi. So three things are there which are combined with some process. Vriksha is tree, agra is star, vasi means one who lives. So one who lives top of tree. So this is the clue. And second is the like further negation, like this is not that, so that your clue is very specific. It is telling na cha pakshi raja, but it is not king of birds. Pakshi is king, raja is sorry, pakshi is bird, raja is king. So first thing is about Prahelicus. It lives on the top of the tree, but it is not the king of birds. So next thing is what? Trinetradhari. So three is for three. Netra is becoming netra because some other process you will know later. So three netra is trinetradhari. So it has three eyes. But na cha shula panihi. Shula panihi. Pani means hand. Shula trishula. So one who holds trishula in hand. So that is Shiva. So this thing has three eyes. It is not Shiva. So now you have two clues and two negative clues also. Third clue is Twag Vastradhari. Twag is your twak. Twak means skin. So twacha, whatever is called as twacha, that the word is twak. So with sandhi it becomes twag. Vastra is your cloth. Dhari means someone who wears. So twag vastradhari, one who wears skin. Nacha siddha yogi, but it is not siddha yogi. It is not a proper muni or something, because some munis they sit on some tiger skin or deer skin and then they do their pins. So it is telling this fellow also wears the skin, but it is not a siddha yogi. So fourth clue is jalam cha bibran. Ghato is ghataha, na megha. Ghata means pot, megha means cloud. So jalam cha bibran. So it is full of, it is filled with water, but it is neither ghata, neither a pot, nor a cloud. So what is this? Prahelika means you have to guess and you have to tell the answer.
Is this coconut?
I think, yeah, we should tell it very fast. So, because we are from coconut land, it is coconut. So, the Prahelika is good and simple today. So not big words here and not big sandhis also. You can figure out Vriksha Agravasi Nacha Pakshi Rajaha Trinetradhari. So now you see coconut is not like other fruits. It is not on branches or somewhere. It is all the time only on the top. So that is what Vriksha Agravasi. So it lives on the top of tree, but it is not Pakshi Raja. So this is satisfied. Next one is Trinetradhari. So if you open the skin of coconut, you will see three dots on top. So that is three eyes, what the poet or Kavi is telling. And it is not a Shulapani. Then, so if you see coconut is covered with so much of skin, so that is Tvastadhari. And last thing is coconut is filled with coconut water. So it is neither pot nor cloud, but still filled with water. So this is the Praheli. So in Sangrahya Vishayah, today we are seeing shlokas about Lord Ram. So this particular shloka is nice in some other way also. So if anyone can tell what is the first one? Ramaya. What is the vibhakti here?
Guruji,
Yes, yes, Deepa.
Chaturthi Vibhakti.
Yes. How you told?
Because I remember
Yeah,
Chaturthi.
yeah. So
Ramaya.
actually, this also there. Why I asked you is this: Namaha is there. So with Namaha, we know like Namaha, Swasti, Swaha, Swadha, Alam, Vashad. So whenever these words are used, then we use Chaturthi. So like
Yes.
Namaha Shivaya, Ganeshaya Namaha. So like that. So if you see this
Yes.
shloka very carefully, so everything is in Chaturthi. So
Yes.
except Sita, yeah. So Ramaya to Rama, Rama Bhadraya. So one to Rama who is Bhadra, who is good. Ramachandraya, one who is like moon. Vedhase, this also is Vedas. Vedas is the word, and Vedhase, it is the Sakaranta. So Vedhase is also Chaturthi. Raghu Nathaya, Raghu was the Rama's ancestor. So the dynasty's clan is called as Raghu Vamsha. So Raghunathaya, Nathaya. Then Pataye. Pataye also is Chaturthi. But with Pataye comes whose Pataye? So there comes the Shashti, which we read in this chapter in last class. Sitayaha. So Sita, Shashti is Sitayaha, of Sita. Pataye Namaha. So this is a very simple, and it is very easy to, you can remember it for at least Akaranta, Sakaranta and Pati, Ikaranta, Chaturthi Vibhaktis. Next is Apadam. So Apadam is difficulties. Aphartaram. So if you see here, it is Apadam is separate, you can see. Ma is halant ending. And then Apahartaram. Apahartaram means one who takes away. Apada is difficulty, and Apahartaram means ones who takes away to him. Dataram. Dataram means someone who gives. Sarva Sampadam. Sarva Sampadam means all kind of wealth. Loka Abhiramam. Loka is world or the public or people. Abhiramam. Abhiramam means one who looks good to Loka. Shri Ramam. So like this, Shri Rama. Bhuyah, Bhuyah. Bhuyah, Bhuyah is again and again. Namami Aham. There is a Sandhi which is converting Namami Aham to Namamyaham. So you can read it separately. Namami Aham. So we can start from here. Aham Namami. I pray. So then you can ask whom you pray. So then you will say to Sri Ramam. Aham Sri Ramam Namami. I pray to Sri Rama. How many times you pray? Bhuyah Bhuyah. Again and again. Aham Bhuyah Bhuyah Sri Ramam Namami. Then you can ask, how is Sri Rama? So then you will say, Apadam Hartaram, one who takes away the problems. Dataram Sarva Sampadam, and one who is giver of all kind of wealth. Lokabhiramam, one who is pleasant to all the loka. Like this Rama, I pray again and again. So this is the second one. Okay.
Excuse me, if
Yes.
I can get a doubt clear.
Yeah, please.
In the first word, you said apadama apaharatam. Apaharatam.
No.
When you split like
Apahartaram. This Ra is there, na? So this Refa is
Apahartaram.
this is read before. Yeah.
Yes, sorry. So when you are splitting, you have already used apadam.
So
correct?
yes,
Apadam.
yeah.
Then you use the alphabet A. Where is that A come from?
Yeah, so that is why I
Ah,
ask you people to read story and tell again and pronounce correctly. So if you do that, if you see here, it is telling Sarva Sampadam. When I am pronouncing, I am saying Apadam. I am not saying Apadama. So when I am saying Apadam, then I am not reading the A which is attached in this ma. This ma I am making like this ma.
okay.
You got it?
Hmm.
So if you not, then I can show you this. Just give me a second. This may padama pahartaram apadama pahartaram. So just one second. I think you can see this, right? Is it visible? So when you see apadam, then there is a attached in all the ma. If you see a pa plus a becomes pa, then the plus
No,
a
I am not
becomes
able
the.
to see. Where are you showing, sir?
You are not able to see.
It's not visible. No, I am not able. I
Just.
can see only the page
Oh, sorry.
168
Sorry.
display.
Let me show. Hmm. You can see now.
No, it's blank.
Okay.
Maybe because the net is also not very. Net
Hmm.
is feeble here. Maybe because of
Anyway,
that I am not able to
so
see.
what I can tell you, like,
Please tell me, sir.
you know, right? Then when pa is
Because
written, what it means? When pa is written, what it means?
Apadama. Yes, we cannot say
But I
para,
can see that it is
pahar,
showing, right?
paharta. Now I am able to see. Now it is it is showing.
Can you see after pa is there? So when you say pa, then it is pa plus a, pa plus a. When I am saying
Okay.
apadam, so then when I am saying apadam, then I am not reading the a which is associated with ma, with apadam.
Okay.
That I am reading with other one, apahartaram.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, sir.
yeah,
Thank you.
yeah. It's okay.
Thank
Yeah, no problem. So we'll proceed now. So this is the Vangmaya. So in this Uttara Ramacharitam is there. So it is written by Bhavabhuti, and story you can figure out from this only. It is about after or from the Uttarakanda of Valmiki Ramayana. So here the poet has depicted that Sita's Vanvasa, not Vanvasa only, when she went to Valmiki Rishi and when Lavakusa were born and how they came back. So this is all not only the Valmiki's depiction, but he had enjoyed the liberty of being poet. So there is nothing else which I can read and explain. It's all the same story where Sita goes to exile to Valmiki's ashrama and Lavakusha were born, and then Ashwamedha horse comes. They fight with everyone in Raghuvamsha that time, and finally he gave. So only thing what we have to tell or know here that Like Shakuntalam, last some classes we saw, like the story was from Mahabharata, and after taking that story, the our Kalidasa had added something of his own, and he made that story further beautiful. So similarly, this is the one saying which says Uttare Ramacharite Bhavabhuti Vishishyate. So this is a very nice place. So that is why it is telling Bhavabhuti is whatever. If you want to see his excellence, then you should read the Uttara Ramcharitama.
What is Bhavabhuti?
Bhavabhuti is the writer. So the author of this play is
Writer.
Bhavabhuti.
Okay,
So Bhavabhuti.
thank you.
Yeah. Now we'll come to Katha, and I hope now you people can read it. So we'll start. Let me call the name, and then you read and try to explain the meaning also. Okay, so we'll begin with A, B, C, D, D. Deepa.
Yes, Guruji.
I hope your exams are over or it is still going on.
They are till this Wednesday, 23rd.
Okay, okay. Then do it as a change in your schedule. Stress buster.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah, please
Uh,
read.
yes. कथा सहसा विदधीत न क्रियाम्.
Hmm.
एकस्मिन् ग्रामे एका महिला वसति स्म. सा एकं
Meaning
नकुलं.
also.
Okay. Ekasmin means one.
In one.
In one.
Yeah.
Grame is in a village or at a village.
Correct.
Gramam.
Yeah.
Eka is one. Eka mahila feminine hai. That is why
Yes.
eka is used.
Yes.
Mahila is a female.
Yes.
Vasati sma. She lived.
Yes.
One mahila in
Yeah.
one village.
Good.
Sa ekam nakulam palayati sma. Sa means she. It's a pronoun used for the mahila.
Very good.
Ekam one. Nakulam. That is why here they have used ekam nakulam, and there they used eka mahila. Ekam nakulam. One nakulam is this
Mongoose.
this mongoose. Yeah, mongoose.
Yeah.
Palayati, she adopted that.
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah, Nakulam.
You can say
Small.
pet. She had a
Yeah.
pet. Yeah. Okay. Now ask your mother, Anuradha Bhagini.
She is at
Okay.
a meeting.
Okay.
So
No, it's okay. It's okay.
yeah.
Then we'll go to Jayanti Bhagini.
Yes.
Guruji.
Can you read from here? Yeah.
विषये तस्याः बहु प्रीतिः आसीत्. प्रीतिः आसीत्. नकुलस्य विषये तस्य she had belonging to that mongoose.
She had much affection in that mongoose. Yeah.
Affection.
Yeah.
Mahila. Should I read next?
Yeah, please.
महिलायाः एकः शिशुः अपि आसीत्. She had one child. Now, api now.
No, my intention is to read the word by word meaning. Mahilayah.
Herself, no?
Of Mahila. Of that lady. Yeah. Possession. It is showing the possession. Yeah.
Ekah, one. Shishuha, child. Api asit.
Api is
now.
Also.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Asit. With the
Asit is the verb. Yeah, was. Yeah. Okay. So Sri Sai, can you take from
Yes,
here?
Sriman.
Tasyaha grihasya.
तस्याः गृहस्य समीपे जलं न आसीत्.
Meaning,
Shriman, what is the meaning of tasyaha?
so tasyah means her.
Hurt.
Her. Last class we had tasya like Ramasya. So for feminine it is tasyah. Of her.
Oh, okay. Of
Yeah.
her. Grihasya
No.
means of house.
No, I told you the meaning, but here you need to put in the context. So grihasya means house. So her house, near her house. Sameepe is near. So near her
Yeah.
house.
Jalam means water.
Yes.
No means no, negation.
Yeah.
And asit means not there.
It was not there. Asit is verb. So it is was.
Yes, Shriman.
Yeah.
So near her house there was no water.
Yes, very right. So today we have our one new member. So Rita Bhagini. She's from Ahmedabad. So Rita Bhagini, can you take the next sentence? She has done so many Sambhashana Shiviram. So I think she will be our Sambhashana leader.
धन्यवादः महोदय. जलम् आनेतुं सा दूरं गच्छति स्म.
Yes.
For bringing water, jalam anetu, for bringing water, she had to go far.
Right. So jalam is water, and let me explain this one, then we can take. So anetum is the tumun pratyanta. If you can see, it is the sound is there, tumun, tum. So anetum. So nayati is there, right? So it becomes from nayati to netum, bring. Anetum means to bring. Sa, that it is pronoun for that lady. Duram is far. Gachati is going. Sma is for making the present tense sentence in past tense. Yes.
एकस्मिन् दिने जलम् आनेतुं सा अगच्छत्. One day, for bringing water, she went. Agachat means past tense. She went.
Yeah.
Gruhe kopi nasit. There was nobody at home. Kopi means nobody.
Kopi is kaha api. Kaha means who, api means also. So no one.
Na asit. Nasit. Yeah. There was nobody at home.
Let other people take.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah, it's okay. No need to be sorry. Tilaka Bhagini.
Mahila bahi gata.
No.
Am I at the right sentence?
No. You should start here. Tasyaha shishuhu.
Tasyaha shishuhu nidritah ase. Her child was sleeping.
Yes. Was is coming from asit. Nidritah is also past tense construct. Tasyaha is shashti for her. Shishu is for kid. Gender is not known.
Kid. Yes.
Yeah.
Mahila bahi gata.
Bahihi.
So, bahihi gata. So lady went out.
Yes.
Tada ekah sarpah graham agatah. One snake came into the house.
When?
Correct?
When?
Tada, then
Yes.
that time. That time.
So that time is when Mahila went to outside. When Mahila bahi gata, yada Mahila bahi gata, tada eka sarpaha griham agatah. Okay, let now Deepa take. Deepa.
Sir, you will have to excuse me from the class because some guest has come all of a sudden.
No issues, Bhagini, no issues. Anyway, recording will be there. Yeah. Please, you are the most regular person, so please don't say so.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
So, Deepa.
Yes, Guruji.
Next one.
Dware eva Nakulaha upavishtaha.
I think you jumped. So, Nakulaha. We did here
Oh.
agataha. Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry. Nakulaha sarpam apashyat. Nakulaha, that is a mongoose. Sarpam is snake. And apashyat, he saw the snake.
If I make it sarpah nakulam apashyat, then what will happen?
Snake saw the mongoose.
Snakes are the mongoose. So whoever the verb is apashyat sa. So whoever is in prathama, he is seeing, and who is in dvitiya, he is getting seen. Right?
Yes.
Next one.
Sarpaha shishu samipam agachat. Snake shishu samipam. Samipam is near. Shishu is the newborn, the infant. Agachat is he went near the infant snake.
Okay, good. Okay. Now Sri Sai.
Nakulaha. Okay.
Yes, Shriman.
Nakulaha.
नकुलः तत्क्षणे एव सर्पस्य उपरि अपतत्. So Nakulaha is mongoose. Tatskshane means
That time itself.
okay, that time.
Kshana means moment. Tat means that. Eva means only. So tat kshane eva. That time itself.
Sarpasya upari. Sarpasya means snake. Upari
Of
means
snake.
above.
Yeah. Sarpas is Shashti.
And apatat means fell.
Fell. Yes. Next.
Yes. So the mongoose at that moment fell above the snake.
Which moment, if I ask?
Tatshane.
But which moment? Tatshane is that moment, na? So which moment? Same moment when snake went near kid. That same moment he jumped. So first sentence is telling me Sarpaha Shishu Samipam Agachat. Snake went near child. Tat Kshane. That moment itself, Nakulaha Sarpasya Upari Apatat. He jumped on the snake. Next one. Jayanti Bhagini.
क्षणमात्रेण एव सः सर्पम् अमारयत्. Marayat means killing. Amarayat past tense. Killed.
Yes.
Sarpam is snake. Kshanamathrena, that moment itself. We have to say that.
So which vibhakti is this?
Shashti.
No. Ramena. It is Tritiya. So you have to make it as an instrument when you are making so by that moment itself, that mongoose killed a snake.
Mahila jalam grihitva akata. Mahila, that lady, jalam water, grihitva. Grihitva means collecting water. Agata, she came.
Grihitva is what, Pratyay? Just try. Tva
pratyay.
So it is for samana karta purvakali kriya. So if same person is doing two words, so whatever she or he did earlier, that is shown by tva. Okay. Next, Rita Bhagini, you can take next one.
द्वारे एव नकुलः उपविष्टः आसीत्. At the door
itself,
only mongoose was standing.
Upavishta. Sitting.
Mahila nakulasya mukham apashyat. The lady saw mongoose's face.
Very good. Yeah.
That was mongoose's face was full of blood.
Raktamayam. So it
Raktam,
was filled with or
filled with
covered with
blood.
blood. Yeah.
Sa achintaya, she thought. Ayam Nakulaha mama shishum akhadat. Mangu seems to have eaten my baby.
Just stick to word meaning. So Ayam Nakulaha, this Nakula,
This
Mama
Nakula,
Shishum.
this
Yeah. Mangoose.
mongoose,
Mama Shishum, my kid.
my kid,
Akhadat.
akhadat. Has eaten. Huh.
Yeah.
अतः एव अस्य मुखं रक्तम्. अतः, that is why, eva,
only, that is
only,
why, yeah,
that is why only
emphatic,
his face is full of blood, you know.
Yeah, red. So here it is red. Atah eva asya mukham raktam.
That's
Raktam
why
is
it
the
is
color.
red.
Yeah.
सा तत्क्षणे एव एकं शिलाखण्डं नकुलस्य उपरि अक्षिपत्. Same moment, सा तत्क्षणे, same moment only, ekam, one. She took one stone,
Shila Khandam, part of
Shila
stone.
Khandam,
Yeah.
one stone, and threw at mongoose.
Yes. Yeah. Let other now you did very nice.
Yeah.
Deepa Agni.
Yes, Guruji. Nakulaha mritaha. Nakula is the mongoose. Mritaha means dies.
Died. It is
Died.
this word you haven't read, but this is past.
Okay. Nakul, that is mongoose dies. Anantaram, later on, I mean after the mongoose
that,
is dead, sa grihasya antah gata. Sa is the female mahila, grihasya is of house, antah is inside, gata means she goes inside the house after killing the nakul, mongoose. Tatra shishuhu kridati. Tatra means there. Shishuhu is the infant. Kridati plays.
Playing,
As
yeah,
though
plays
the
are playing,
as though the newborn doesn't know anything, is unaffected by all these events. It doesn't understand, doesn't see or any of this. So the Shishu is playing.
yeah.
And in that side, the Nakul is dead.
So,
Huh?
yeah, okay, let's recite now.
Okay, yes.
Sa bahu dukita abhavat. Sa means she, bahu means very, dukita means sad.
I think, Sisa, you have to read this, na? Tatraiva mritam sarpam apashyat.
Which
Just,
one, Shriman?
just before this, what you started, just before this. Tatraiva mritam sarpam apashyat.
Okay. Tatraiva mritam sarpam apashyat. Tatraiva, beside.
Tatra eva, there only. Tatra and eva, these are two words. Tatraiva.
There only, mritam sarpam. Mritam means died. Sarpam means snake. Apashyat means saw. There only the snake was dead.
She saw the dead snake.
Yes.
Next.
Sa bahu dukita abhavat.
Dukhita.
Sa means
Dukhita. There is a visarg also, right? So you have to pronounce that also. Dukhita.
Dukhita abhavat.
Dukhita.
Sa is she. Bahu means very. Dukhita is sad. Abhavat means became. So she became very sad.
Next one. Jayanti Bhagini.
Sa bahu dukita abhavat.
From here you have to start. Avicharena.
Avicharena maya nakulaga sanghataha.
Samhritaha.
Sanrita.
Some.
Rita.
No,
pronounce
it separate. Some and ha
Sam.
plus r. Ritaha. Samritaha.
Samritaha.
Hmm.
Isa. Pakshat.
Paschatapena. Paschat. There are two tas here. There are two ta. Paschatapena.
Pidita.
Pidita. Abhavat. What is the meaning of this? Avicharena, without thinking. Maya. Maya is by me. It is tritiya of aham. By me, without thinking by me. Nakulaha samhritaha. So this kind of words are passive sentences. They are not told in this book. So by me, Nakula is killed. Nakula is killed by me without thinking. Iti, like this. Sa, that lady. Paschatapena. So paschatap is what? If you think anything
Repented.
after doing, yeah, repent. So paschat is later. Tapena means feeling or hot. Pidita means means caught with the repent moment. Abhavat is the abhavat verb past tense. Yeah. Rita Bhagini, last one. No, let Rita Bhagini take Janti.
अतः किमपि कार्यं सहसा न कर्तव्यम्. अतः सो किमपि any
Yeah.
any karyam action
Yes.
sahasa na kartavyam. All of a sudden should not do.
I think
Should not-
yeah. Better word will be like you should not do any work in haste or
in haste.
without. Yeah.
In haste, yeah, that is
Yeah.
better.
Yeah.
Vicharam krutva eva kartavyam. Vicharam. After thinking,
Yes.
krutva.
Krutva is after. Vicharam is thinking. Yeah.
Vicharam krutva only should be done.
One should do. Yeah. Vicharam kritva eva kartavyam. You should
Yeah,
do after
vicharam
one.
krutva eva kartavyam.
So that was the title. Sahasa vidadhit na kriyam. So immediately anything you should not do. So if you see, hasty action should be avoided.
Avoided.
So this was the story. So this is
Income question is,
Vadatu
can I
Bhagini.
ask?
Yeah, please, Vadatu.
These subhashitas which are there in the book, should we, are we supposed to learn them by heart or only meaning?
No,
only meaning.
No, only meaning.
Only meaning.
Yeah.
And Pralika?
Pralika also only meaning.
Achha, but we are supposed to learn the meaning of all Pralikas.
So at this level, you need to make meaning. You don't need to remember meaning. You just make meaning, not
Right.
word by word.
Right.
The overall, like what it is trying to tell in
Right.
kind of gist of that. So
Gist,
going forward in other levels as will go up, then you have to tell one word by word meaning.
One word by word, yes.
Then further detail. But at this level, this is just a gross meaning of that particular thing.
And all vibhaktis, we should...
Vibhakti actually you should practice. I would not say learn. Let us finish. We will talk after finishing.
Okay.
This.
Sorry.
Yeah, it's okay. Sorry is not required. Okay, so we were reading in last classes about that kakaras, we know, the interrogative words. So we had seen many. So few again we are seeing here. Again, if you see full, this should not be taught here because kada is the question for when. So sometimes answer of this is also goes into Saptami Vibhakti, so which is not known to us as of now. But since it is in book, so let's use it. Kada is when. So we'll start from backward. So you can say Suryodaya kada bhavati, when sunrise happen. So kada answer is prataha, because these are avyayas. So they don't change the form. So you are not seeing any vibhakti here. So Suryodaya pratah bhavati. Sita kada nrityabhyasam karoti? When Sita does the dance practice, she does in evening. Sayam. Kada pitamaha, grandfather, kada agamishyati? When he is coming? So parashvaha, it is in future because parashvaha, day after tomorrow. Te kada agataha asan? So both are past. So because the answer, whatever is asking when they had come, so answer is in hyaha, yesterday. So yesterday is past. Krishna janmotsavaha kada? Krishnasya janma dinotsavaha kada? So when is the utsava or party of, you in very lame words, party of birthday party of Krishna? When is that? So adya krishnasya janma dinotsavaha. So today is Krishnasya birthday utsava. Utsava is kind of, you can loosely tell, party. So now you can see here question, whenever question is kada, then answer is in time. So today, tomorrow, now, like that. So this can be at time also. So maybe further. So here you see this is again, now it is telling day. So antima bhanu vasare. So now you see it became saptami. So that you haven't read. So saptami is for telling time also. So in first or second chapter, if you remember, we had, when we learned time, so then we used to say, if somebody asks kada agamishyati, when you are coming, so you will answer chaturvadane, so at 4 o'clock. But when somebody asks kaha samayaha, what is the time, then you will say chaturvadanam. So that vadane was at. So at is the location, that is the locative case. So which gives this meaning also, time also and adhikarana also. So kada is your last interrogative word in this book. So now book is combining them all and telling sapta kakaraha. So this is plural, kakaraha. So you know, like akaranta, so a and kara. Kara is a pratyaya and a is the letter. So here ka is the letter, kara is the pratyaya. So ka letter. So karaha is plural because the number here is bigger. So this is a sapta. 7 kakaraha. 7 letters starting from ka is the meaning for this one. So if you see here, which are these 7 letters? Kim, what? Kutra, where? Kati, how many? Kada, when? Kutaha, from where? Katham, how? Kimartham, why? So this example you can see here. Shri Krishnaha kuchelasya mitram. So if you want to now change the subject, so you will say kaha kuchelasya mitram. If you want to change this Shashti, you will say Sri Krishnaha kasya mitram. So rhyming, if you remember, you will put it every time correct. Kutra is the where, and the answer of this will be a location. So if it is a location, it will go in Saptami. So if here you come, Shri Harihi Ayodhyam Gacchati. So you need to know the Akaranta Strilinga Shabdasya Saptami Vibhakti Ekavachana. So if I say Shri Harihi Kashi Gacchati, so it will become Shri Harihi Kashyam Gacchati. So like that it will, if I say Bangalore Nagaram, so it will become Shri Harihi Bangalore Nagare Gacchati. So then Kati, you know Kati is for how many, and whenever you will ask Kati, you will not use the singular verb, you will always use plural, even though the answer is in singular. Kada is when, the reply of this also comes in Saptami. Kutaha is Panchami, from where, so separation, from where agamishyati. So you will say, if you don't remember the form, then you can again add the same taha pratyaya, from wherever, Bengaluru taha, Mumbai taha, Chennai taha. So taha only add, it will become from. Katham, mostly reply will be in Dvitiya, Madhuram. Kimartham will get the artha, Arogyartham. So artham sound will come at the end. So if somebody asks you kimartham hasati, you will answer it arogyartham hasami. So I laugh for that. So artham, figuring out that is very easy because question answer both will have same word. So these all we have done. So we'll see if time permits, we'll do some exercises. But let's first finish the content. Okay. So Subhashita of today is Na Kinchit Sahasa. If you see the Subhashitas, they are always matching with the story. So Na Kinchit Sahasa Karyam Karya Vida Kvachit Kriyate Chet Vivichaiva Tasya Shreyah Karsthitam. So if we start from backside, Tasya Shreyah Kar Sthitam. Kar is hand, Sthitam means you hold. Shreyah is success. Tasya means somebody who's about this talk is happening. So that if you do all this, then your success is in your hand. So like they say, it is in your fist. So let's see what are the suggestions. Na kinchit sahasa karyam. So kinchit, any. So any karyam sahasa, na. So don't do any karya in haste. Karya vida kvachit. Karya vida is one who knows the work. With means with jane. It is for knowledge, like Veda. So karya vida means one who knows the work, or you can say smart, wise, whatever you want to say. Kriyate chet vivichaiva. So even if he does, kriyate chet, if he does, then vivichaiva. So then he tries to judge the work, and then only does. And if he does this way, then his success in his own hands. Other way around, negation you can figure out. First, if you are doing anything in haste, or if some work is there which requires you to do it on urgent basis, and you are not thinking of any other details of that work, then you may not get success. So that is known from the beginning itself. No need to finish and then think. So this is the meaning of the Subhashitam. So, okay. So we are still having time. So we'll do exercise and then